welcome back to Bren's Beauty Boutique. I'm Bren. Thank you so much for joining me for part 13 of the Hooded Eyes Diaries. Today I want to share with you guys my idea of an easy, quick, and most importantly wearable blue eyeshadow look. As you guys can tell, I've already filled in, shaped, and set my brows. I've also already primed my eyes, and I used the MAC Paint Pot in Bear Study to do that. That's quickly becoming a favorite of mine. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, let's just get right into it, my friends, and here we go. Today we're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. So we're going to take our Wayne Goss number 17 brush, just a nice fluffy brush. We're going into the color Estate. And we're going to place that color lightly into and above our crease. We're just sweeping this across the lid using the usual windshield wiper motion, as well as a few small circular motions. And of course, once most of the color is deposited off the brush, we're going to bring it down onto the lid. And don't forget about this space here. Bring it all the way in. And bring it up toward the brow a little bit, just taking care of any harsh lines or harsh edges. And try, of course, not to go past this imaginary line here from the edge of where your lashes meet to the edge or the tail of your brow. Now, using a smaller, denser pencil brush, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever number 216 brush. We're going to take the color Palm, and we're going to place that on the outer edge. You guys know I like to pat it on first, get the majority of the pigment there, right where we want it, and then start to do little circular motions and move that color around a little bit. We're just placing that color on the outer edge, what some people like to call the V. And if you want, if it's helpful, you can make a sideways V here, if that's helpful for you. And then just fill it in, as I've shown you in other videos. We're just getting that pigment in there for now, getting it on the outer edge of the lid. This is just going to give us some definition to this look. And then of course, as the color leaves the brush, we're going to take that brush in a little bit more and up a little bit more, kind of blending those edges out a little bit as we go. Get it right up to the lash line. Now, once again, using our Wayne Goss 17 brush, we're dipping back into the color Estate, and we're going to place that on our lower lash line. Bring it all the way in, all the way across. Then we're going to come back in with our little pencil brush, going back into the color Palm, that really nice brown shade, and we're also going to put that on our lower lash line, starting at the outer edge. Pat that pigment in there, get as close to the lower lash line as you can here. And once you've patted it in, just sweep it across a couple times. And once again, using the Wayne Goss number 17 brush, I have no product on this brush at this point, and I'm just going to go in and blend things out a little, just on the edges. Now taking the Morphe number 508 brush, a smaller detailing brush, a little bit of a rounded edge but mostly flat. We're going into the color Seychelles. Really pretty, kind of aqua blue, and I really packed that pigment on there. Then I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. And then starting on the inner corner, I'm going to place the majority of that pigment. Just lay that pigment down. I really want it to show, so I'm really trying to get a lot of pigment on there. Get as close to the lash line as I can with that color. I'm laying most of the pigment down here on the inner portion of the lid. As usual, we're going to take advantage of this space right in here. And once most of the pigment is laid down, we're going to graduate that out toward the middle of the mobile lid. As you guys can probably see, I've gone up a little higher than my mobile lid here, which is what I always do, because when I look straight ahead, when my eye's in the natural position, I really want that color to show. I want people to be able to see that really beautiful blue. I feel like this is a really good way to wear blue shadow, but not have it really overpower the look, if you're looking for something more natural. Using that same brush and that same color, Seychelles, I'm going to take that down all the way from the inner corner into the lower lash line. Really showcase that blue. We're only going to go about halfway, and then we're going to taper off into the browns. You guys know when we have hooded eyes, we have to showcase these really pretty colors or pigments or glitters, shimmers. We have to showcase them any place that we can find, anywhere we can find some vacant space that's actually going to show when our eyes are fully open in the natural position, like so. And for me, that's this inner portion right here and right in here on the lower lash line. And that's where I like to display my shimmers and glitters for the most part. Unless I'm doing a cut crease or a halo, this is how I like to display the color in my eye looks. Now, using that same detailing brush, we're going into the color Sails. We're going to use that on just on the arch of our brow. We don't want a lot, just a little bit of a highlight here. Of course, bring it down into the rest of the shadows. Just a little bit of a highlight. I like to keep things nice and bright. Dip back into that a little bit more, and we're going to put that on the inner corner. Bring it down. Now, once we have our highlight down, we're going into this Beauty For Real Eyeline 24/7 eyeliner in totally titanium. And if you guys remember, I had picked this up from the Charm Room from BoxyCharm. And I promised I would use these pencils. I'm only going to use this one because I feel like the blue one, the Midnight Blue pencil, is a little bit too dark and wouldn't really look good with this look. So I'll try to use that in a different video for you guys. We're just putting that right on the inner corner and graduating it down into the lower lash line a little bit. Then I'm going to go back into our pencil brush again, and I'm just taking a little bit of that color Palm again, just to make sure that everything is blended here. I'm going to bring it right up to our blue shade, right up to Seychelles, and just with a very light hand, I'm going over that just to make sure everything is blended. Taking our Wayne Goss number 17 and just blend everything together. Alright guys, so I curled my lashes. I added 2 coats of mascara to the top lashes and 1 coat of mascara to the lower lashes. And I'm going to call this look complete. Now, I do think that some black liquid liner as well as some false lashes would look really, really beautiful with this look as well. However, I wanted to keep it really simple and what I consider to be kind of more of a daily wear look for you guys. For those of you who maybe don't care to wear a full-on blue look or something that's, you know, really super bright, I feel like this is a really good way to keep it kind of natural while still being able to showcase a pop of color, if you will, or some glitter or pigment. And I hope you found that to be the case too. I really hope that this video has been helpful to you in some way, and I also hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. You guys, really helps my channel out. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Would love to have you as part of the Bren's Beauty Boutique family here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am always grateful for you carving a little time out of your busy day to spend this time with me. I'm really grateful to have you here for yet another Hooded Eyes Diaries. I'm really enjoying this series. I hope that you are too, and I really hope that you're finding some help in this series if you have hooded eyes, or even if you don't. I hope you're enjoying it either way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.